Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change home screen for newly downloaded apps on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the home screen, then tap. Then after that, in the home screen, go to newly downloaded app section, and as you will see that the add to home screen is enabled, and if you want to change it to app library only, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to add to home screen, just tap until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully changed home screen for newly downloaded apps on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!